Oh my god. No. Oh, what was I gonna say? Oh yeah. I'm almost caught up with all my videos. I'm almost day by day. Even though right now it's the 17th, I'm uploading the 13th, so I'm 3 days behind. Yeah. Awesome. Well, wait. Well, it's almost the 18th, so. Fuck. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 5 days. Technically. Well, right now it's 4. So, I don't give a shit. And Saturday, like I said, we were supposed to go to that place. Not so sure anymore. Because, you know how, like, you make a plan, you're like, yeah, and, like, soon one friend drops out, and the other friend drops out, and soon you're just going, like, with you and just one other friend, which is nice, but, you want it to be, like, a group thing. But if it's just me, Samantha, and Claire, we'll have a blast either way. Inappropriate, dirty, sexual, confusing, messy group thing. I don't know, activity. Yeah. And on top of that, it's my niece's birthday tomorrow. Or, yeah, tomorrow. It's 11:58, so it's still tomorrow. And my brother was like, oh, you should come, but I was like, I have work, And I already missed, like, one day, so I don't know if I should call in sick. But then tomorrow is when I get my paycheck, which I really want. So if I call in sick, or I'll have to go in Sunday. I'll probably lose Tuesday off. Fudge. I don't know what to do. I think I should call in sick. Or just, like, lose Tuesday and just get in trouble at school with, what do you call it? Newspaper be like, oh, you missed another work day. I'm like, sorry, I have work. Newspapers, you're gonna help me somewhat, but not that long. And I have is it right there? I know, I have a little, I don't know, it's a pimple or something. It hurts. It doesn't hurt, it's just like, I know it's there. And like a scab, it's there, and you just like poke at it. That's why I do, I poke until like it starts bleeding. And I'm like, oh, damn. And when the bleeding stops, I poke at it again. Yeah. Oh. Anyways, look what I did. I don't know what the hell that is. I don't know where I got that from. Oh, it's 12. So yeah, I don't know what to do today. Oh, man. Confusion. I'll tell you tomorrow what happens. Hopefully, we all get to go to first, because that's what I was looking forward this whole week. And I'm gonna go. Well, I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna watch Air Gear now, because I'm addicted to it. I love finding new animes to watch. Turn on TV. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Damn. Yeah, I love finding new animes to watch. And it's just hard for me because I was like, oh, because I always get like, it's like watching a new TV show. Like, I don't know if I'm into it yet. With animes, I don't know. With me, it's a lot more harder. So I'm like, no. Like, I'm surprised I got into like Fruit Basket and all the other like old high school courses because I've been Empire Night, Dear Ass, it was surprising because shut up, you're annoying. Dear Ass, if you haven't watched it, watch it. It's awesome. I don't know how I got into it. I guess I read House of the Dead 3. Anyways, yeah, I was watching it and I was like, and right off the bat, I loved it. I was like, eh. Like, in the beginning, I was like, oh my god, I don't know. And I was like, oh my god, I'll watch it. And I clicked on it and I loved it. Oh, I wish I had a second season, though. Every anime I watch, it's like, get to the good part, cut off. Fruit Basket, or in high school. Dear Ass, you bitches and hoes. So yeah, I'm gonna go watch it now, so bye. Oh, I just woke up. It's 7:42. Just woke up. I fell asleep on the couch, and it is raining. It's been raining for the past night, non-stop. There's been thunder and lightning, just like you should know. So, yeah. I'm gonna go back to bed. Good night. The back is flooded. Hopefully my dog's okay. Oh jeez. Water everywhere. Do I look good? Scarves. Matching sweater. I think I look good for a party. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, my niece's birthday party, so we're gonna go early so I could go. We're supposed to go to Fred's. What the fuck? Freddy's. Ugh, hate that shit. First, but since no one could go because of the weather, we're rescheduling it to tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow we can have a friend group activity at Fred's. So yeah. So now, oh yeah, the weather. Something got a comment up. Oh yeah. So the weather. Why? Because this bitch is looming. Brightness adjusting. Yeah. Oh, this is just like, I mean, all of it. That's just where it's, going. Come to the back, and you will see destruction. No. Looks like it's getting better now. Better, which I do not like. Before, it was nothing but like dark clouds over there and looming. Well, over there it's like super cloudy. That's where my brother lives. That's where we're going. I mean, look. That way. You see like the town. Oh, sorry. That's my finger. You see the town right there. Man. And right now, I'm uploading or saving the 14th, which is Valentine's Day. Woo! Yep. So let's do that. Oh, okay. I was like, oh my god, it's 15 minutes long. It's 5 minutes long. So, create video file. Name it real quick. Just call it. No, not. Why show this videos? There you go. Let's call it V-Day. Victory Day! Sorry. Been learning in history. Save it. And there you go. So now, 14 days to 17th. Yeah, it's 18, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18. 4 days behind! Yes. Love it. And when I get back from work, I'm gonna stay up all night. This time I will stay up all night because I have to do laundry and watch Air Gear and Italia, so I will stay up. Oh, boo. How was I looking forward? Like right now, I would be at first eating, laughing, probably puking because of Melina, but instead I'm going to a birthday party. And I'll take pictures with you. I should bring my other camera. I should bring Kyo. Oh, Kyo. And this is cute. I should bring you. You take pictures. You take video. What the fuck? Okay, like, yeah, you just saw how it was. It wasn't like this, like, what? It was just 2 minutes ago, and now look at it. It's hella dark. What the fuck? See how freaking bipolar Texas is? It's like fucking bipolar shit up in here. So yeah, I gotta go. And we're off. Woo!
Pero fíjate, aquí está el sol. Ah, no trajimos la cámara para Elena.
Tengo dos. Calm down.
¿Tienes cámara? Pero pues sí.
Dame dos.
¿Eh?
Nomás te pasa los a tu... En la computadora te pasa las fotos. ¿Te estorbo?
Sí, gas
No. Ya se van a caer.
Our
Nomás se ve
destination.
un ojo.
¿Tres dos cámaras?
Yes, how many times I have to say it? Jesus
pues,
fucking Christ.
se oye. Hola,
That's
oye.
great.
Pero pasar con él 3 días.
Los aviones pasan en medio de la luz. Fíjate, por arriba se ven como algodoncitos, ¿sabes?
You know, before we move the seat, you're gonna bend it like this. Let me see. You're gonna bend the pizza.
Yeah, he was gonna try to bend it.
¿De veras?
Yes, I was like, no. Andre, Adrian, put the seat down.
That's one. That's like what, 3 slices in
Ahí
one,
está.
2.
Elena, ponla allá, quítala allá.
Slice per person. I
No va a caber.
know. You're making it.
My camera's so
You
better.
gotta stay home.
Do not tell me that does not look beautiful. Damn it! I want. Okay, the way I was going was a big lake, and when it rains really bad here, this road floods, right? And it did, and it was a little bit big when we first came, but I had to go help with decorations. So now it's not so big anymore, and whatnot, and there's cars. I'm walking on the road. Okay. But it still was real close, but you know, that sign right there, that one that's flickering right there. Watch for water on road. Like, yeah, I'm sure you could freaking, you know, miss water and be like, oh shit, I didn't see that there. I didn't see that big giant fucking lake. Oh, that's just amazing. I like the sky here. Oh, I wish I lived here. I would so love it. I'll go out every single day and be like, la 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 la. Go on crazy adventures and whatnots and get lost and get eaten by bears and whatnots again. I fucking hate those swans. Those swans are evil. The black, shit. The black swan, of course. Damn. I know, I just left the party, like, I didn't even tell anybody where I was going. I just walked out. Hee. Oopsies. But I just wanted to see the river. Just real quick. Just walk down here. See, look, that was much more bigger. It was and now I went down, and I wanted to show y'all how big it was and be like, ooh, look, it's big and it's huge and whatnot. And now it's not, and I'm depressed. And the sun's out. Sparkle. Squirrel! Yeah. There it is. It gets a whole lot worse when it rains, trust me. What used to be right there? These little ducks flying. There's a lot of ducks. Oh, yeah, you can't. Oh, there you go. I was like, why are you zoomed in? I just want to see where this goes. I want to go exploring. Yee! I know, I see them right there. I think they see me. Ah, it's sun. Sun blinding. You move out of water. Where's squirrel? Where's squirrel? Squirrel. So that is part of our own property, but I'll go, like sun. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call in sick for work. I'm gonna be like, I had food poisoning. I ate bad fish and now I'm dying of diarrhea and whatnot. Don't go away, squirrel. Don't go away. Why you run, squirrel? Why? Look, duckies. Water. Oh yeah, I forgot to take a picture of it. Fuck. Oh, sorry if I moved. I was like, is there a car coming? Am I gonna die? Maybe. Alright, I'm gonna stop and take a quick picture when the sun comes out. Alright, I'm just gonna be like this. I'm sure they won't mind if I trespass a little bit. You know? Oh. Shh. Co-op. I just wanted to see. Run. Ah, cars go. No one saw. Oh, fucking shit. Mud. This is just amazing. Am I stopping? Isn't that just beautiful? The sound. Sky. Fucking love this place. Like, just love it. I don't care if it's like I'm on fire properly. I'm not supposed to be here. I love it. I want to get close. I've been doing all these crazy stunts trying to take like the best pictures. Ow, ow, ow. Oh my god, that hurt. Alright, ready? Alright, so I have my crazy little adventure done. So, yeah, I'm gonna vulture. I'm just gonna watch my shoot. No, for real, it's a vulture. Awesome. Nice stuff up now. Hi. Just awesome. I don't know. Look at that. That's just awesome. I don't know, somebody just looked at me weird and I was like, oh my god, is she the owner? Is she gonna be like, what the fuck are you doing in my property? What the fuck? Fucking sue your ass and blah 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 blah. Washing my shoes. And here comes more people. Oh, my shoes are clean, right? No, not entirely. Still is it? Whoa. Ah! Ah! No! I feel the water going in my socks. Ah! Alright, I guess I'll leave. The battery's almost dead. This sky looks amazing. And my shoes are wet. Yeah, they are. Random log. Looks like poo. Yo, person. Ah, shit, where are these people coming from? No! But yeah, that looks amazing. I had my crazy adventure, even though it was just like a little photo shoot. Nature, wildlife photo shoot. I'm good. I'm gonna go before I get hit by a car and die. Like, bad. Oh, jeez. I love nature. Hate peoples. Everyone here is old, though. Like, old. Like death is like right behind them. And they want to go to nature. Why would they have a heart attack? I don't think life alert's gonna help them over here. Unless it's like a wilderness life alert. Wilderness life alert! I got attacked by a bear and I can't get up. Yeah. Jeez. Ah! Brakes checked now, biatch. Oh, and you too. Okay, I guess I gotta go. More cars coming. I want to take a. I know these motherfucking crazy ants. Being all crazy and whatnot. Crazy ants. I really hope it rains so I can show you like the full power. That looks amazing. I don't care if there's a car coming right behind me. Whoa. Not you, go away. Picture time. Quick note, this is like the scene from Tornado where they're talking about the problems. That's all I have to say. And my battery's almost dead. Should really charge this thing. So yeah, goodbye. So these are real chicken eggs?
Yeah. Chicken eggs. Chicken eggs. Oh, chicken eggs.
No, white?
You're making my dad have high cholesterol. You fed one to him. It's your fault. You're buying the medicine.
He said he was going to try one.
I
didn't put the egg in his mouth.
I like it goes like from a different shade. It's like
I like the green one because it's like speckled.
green eggs and ham. Yes. Cause estaba enfermo. Estaba sick.
Will you stop making excuses to be nosy?
I'm not even.
I like how it says brown eggs, but then there's a green egg in there.
Yeah, it's that it should be current.
It's all lies.
On the side, on the side.
Move back, Andre. Let Sebastian try. Go, Sebastian. Go. Go, Sebastian.
Let me see what he does.
This thing is dull. Sharpen it for me.
He's gonna make fire. He's making friction.
Start smoking.
Oh my god!
Another iconic thing. A fire truck on fire.
Hey,